люди. Вы посмотрите, что творилось в бывшей Югославии.
Because if NATO would have destroyed Yugoslavia and Serbia quickly, I think NATO would have turned its eyes right away, turned its direction right away to Russia. It would have sought.
Unstoppable force the United States and NATO looked like in the 1990s. I mean, and that was, of course, the unipolar moment. That was the time when people spoke of the United States as being the hyperpower. It seemed to many people then that the United States, that the Americans only had to snap their fingers and anything they wanted instantly and immediately happened. Not only did Serbia resist that, and resist that throughout the 1990s and beyond, but if you go and analyze carefully the military conflict in 1999, what is very remarkable and what was undoubtedly seen and studied very carefully in Russia was that that bombing campaign by NATO actually was a failure. It didn't achieve very much militarily. The Serbs, who had a well-organized military, were able to withstand it without suffering very much military damage. Most of the bombs missed. A stealth aircraft that the United States operated was shot down, and the Serbian military was that campaign. And I think a lot of people in Moscow came away and said to themselves, well, if little Serbia is able to put on such a strong military performance against the mighty United States and the mighty NATO alliance, then maybe we, Russia, a far bigger and much more powerful country than Serbia is, don't have so much to fear after all. So I think that had a very big psychological effect, which cannot be underestimated.